I know it's so exciting when you want to start your own business and you are ready to go and you're getting yourself all hyped up. But then this anxiety might just come over you and you think, what am I going to do? There's so many ideas. There's so much that I could do. And you haven't got that certainty, or you have too many ideas and you need to narrow it down. And you find that you're just avoiding getting started. Let's look at a few guidelines of how I can help you to make those shifts that can get you onto the track of certainty and confidence, and with a clear picture you can create that plan. Fashion entrepreneurs out there, whether you got a degree or no degree, it's about having that passion for sewing or manufacturing or designing. Just like anything in life, you gotta have a clear picture. And when you've got certainty, it's that confidence just shifts, because now you know exactly what it is that you want to do and what it is. You can almost see the picture in front of you. And once you have that certainty, you can start making plans. And certainty is also about action, because now you know what it is and you bring that certainty into momentum, into action, making it happen. Here are 3 areas that we can have a look at just to get the ball rolling. So the first thing would be is, what is your passion? What is it that you want now in your life? Getting to know who you are right now, because maybe you've outgrown those ideas, or you're a different person to what you were a year ago, 2 years ago. Our lives are changing all the time. We are transforming and we are growing and we're becoming more enlightened. Sometimes we're stuck in a different mindset, or we are stuck still thinking the way that we used to. It's about reinventing yourself. It's about changing that mindset, reprogramming your mind of what it is you want right now. Things have changed. You also have to change with the times. Otherwise, you'll become obsolete. You'll become that dinosaur. So you have to look at how different things have become, how different you are. Hi, my name is Tania Sutherland, and I am an entrepreneur for over 36 years. How to manifest what you want, to get clarity of creating that life and career that you want. Because everything is about first getting certainty, knowing what it is before you can plan it or even manifest it into the universe. If this is the kind of content that you absolutely love, then how about sharing it and giving me a thumbs up, a like, and don't forget, press the subscribe button. Please leave some comments down below so I can engage with you. You know that feeling that you get inside, that something absolutely connects with you, that is connecting from your soul, your higher self coming out, that you know that is what you absolutely love. Draw up a list of all the ideas or all the passions and interests you have in the entire fashion industry. For example, maybe you want to do alterations, you want to do home decor, you want to do children's apparel, ladies or men's apparel. You want to start your own CMT factory, like a cut, make and trim factory, like a manufacturing little studio, and be more specific of what kind of manufacturing that you would like to take on. What experience or skills or interest do you have that you can perhaps target in one specific area to be a manufacturer? Whether you're a fashion designer with a degree or no degree, what kind of designs do you want to make? You want to have an online business where they can buy a small collection from you? Do you rather want to make full boutiques? Do you want to make individual custom fitting clothes for clients that actually come to you and you take their personal measurements? Do you want to do a handbag collection? Do you want to do hats? A hat collection? Are you into designing shoes or jewelry or accessories to go with the fashion? You could even be a fashion stylist. Write it all down and start brainstorming of what it is that you have an interest and a passion for. What qualifies you as a fashion entrepreneur? It is someone who's a seamstress, someone who does alterations, someone who's a fashion designer, someone with a degree or without a degree. It's about those that absolutely love the fashion, the sewing, the manufacturing, the designing around anything to do with fashion. Compassion would be, what is it that you want to give out to the world? What solution is it? What is your gift that you're putting out to the world? How are you resolving or fixing or making a difference in the world? That would be your compassion. I'll leave the link down below. You can become an affiliate by selling my patterns on your website to help you generate another income. I even have an alteration course for you to start doing alterations, start a business from home. I have an entire workshop where I guide you to get absolute clarity of what it is that you want, how to get started, how to know exactly what your product and service is, who's your ideal client, specially curated for fashion entrepreneurs. Your expertise. Now, you might be a new entrepreneur with very little skills and very little experience, or not a complete expert yet, or maybe you're the opposite, that you have a lot of expertise and skills and knowledge. That's easier for you. Then you can take that, and now you're going to narrow it down to what is it that I have got right now, and over time you'll become more of an expert. But it's about starting with what you have right now. If you are better at it than most other people, then that is good enough to get started. Don't overthink it. Don't have this analysis paralysis. It will drive you friggin' crazy. Just start. When it comes to your expertise, have a look at the list that you have created. What skills and talents and experience do you have right now that you could look at these other ideas that you have? Maybe you can combine it with something you're doing right now. Or maybe it's a new thing that you can start because this is a new you, a new time. Or it's a new business and a new passion or a new product or service you want to bring into your business. Maybe you need to up your skill right now, or maybe you've really developed more skills and experience and you're going through some shifts and changes just like the rest of the world has. And say, what is it that I can take to turn that into a product or a service and just get started? Meditating is definitely something that's going to help you to connect with yourself, to help you to feel that you are on the right path, because it's about feeling, it's about that emotion that is very connected with the way that you feel. When something feels out of alignment with you, you kind of feel like just doesn't quite fit, and you find that you're procrastinating and you're moving on to doing other things instead of staying more focused. I really suggest you need to be grounded. Take that time to meditate. Ask yourself, how are you feeling about these ideas that you've got, that you want to put forth into the world to share your gifts, your expertise, your talents with the world? You still have a little niggly feeling because maybe you just need to tweak it and change it slightly to get that more clarity, to make it more wholesome of what it is that you want to do. Put yourself out there. Create the Instagram and the Facebook page. Connect the two and put your products out there. Take lots of photographs of your products. Tweak your photographs the best that you can and put your photos out there. Start creating little adverts of what it is that you do. You are making yourself accountable, putting yourself out there. That's if you're a new entrepreneur. If you are already an entrepreneur, make sure that you're putting yourself out there daily. People need to see who you are. They need to see these beautiful gifts that you have to show the world. They need to know where they can find you, what it is your voice, what is your products. Put yourself out there. Once you feel that you're just putting yourself out there and you're getting more settled, then you can start look at branding your business, branding your name, getting the colors all right, getting your logo all absolutely perfect, creating all those big stunning banners. If you're still feeling insecure, I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and say to yourself, I am friggin' amazing. I can do it. I have what it takes. I am worthy of making a success. I'm just starting. It's creating an energy. It's an action, a momentum. Things are happening. You're putting yourself out there. Don't wait for everything to be absolutely perfect before you get there. A perfect website. I've done many types of products, but I got started. And as I grew and I got into it, I would streamline and narrow it and become more specific and have an absolute niche market. But when you get started, you want to try to be too perfect, and that stops you. Just start somewhere and believe in yourself, because see yourself really doing it. Seeing yourself talking to your clients. See yourself really getting that money coming into your bank account. Get excited. Use that energy. The key to success is having the energy, putting it out there, it's about starting. If you don't start, there's going to be no success. You're going to be in the same place you are right now next year, another year. Just get started. Kick yourself.